dear students, get ready for today's SS class. Students, as you know, we are doing block 8, India physical features and climate. And today we will learn about the climate of each physical features. So, in the last class we have learned about the physical features. There are 6 physical features of in India, like mountain, plateau, desert, plains, coastal plains, islands. And today we will learn what is the climate in these physical features. So let's start. Deserts are hot and hills are cold. We feel neither too hot nor too cold in coastal areas and islands. The rocky plateaus are hot and plains are also too hot in some months and too cool in other months. So जो plains होते हैं वो कुछ महीनों में बहुत ज़्यादा hot होते हैं और कुछ महीनों में बहुत ज़्यादा cooling होती है उधर. The hotness or coldness in the air which we feel throughout the year is the climate of a place. I hope it is clear to you all. So moving to our next step. Now we will discuss some important facts about this lesson. So it is a picture of India map. In India, all the physiographic divisions experience different climates. क्योंकि इंडिया में सारे ही physical features हैं, so we feel here all the experience different climate. I hope it is clear to you all. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, do you think that physical feature of a place affect the climate of a place? Why do you think so? Can you give an example? So let's discuss the answer. The physical feature of a place affect the climate. How it affect the climate? We feel cool when we visit a coastal area or a beach. This is because of the cooling effect of winds coming from the sea. So जो coastal areas होते हैं और beach होता है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा hot नहीं होती, गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती उधर, because वहाँ पे जो सी की जो ठंडक होती है, समुद्र की जो ठंडक होती है वो हवाओं के ज़रिए हम तक पहुँच जाती है. Clear students? Now students, please open your content book of SS lesson number 2, Climate of India. Let's start reading. The climate of a place is influenced by the physical features of that place. The northern mountains have a cold climate and the desert has a hot climate. The northern plains are very hot in some months and very cold in the other months. The peninsular plateau has a hot climate too. The coastal plains and islands are neither very hot nor very cold. I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now students, please open your worksheet as to climatic conditions. First one is, write the type of climate found in each physical feature. Give reasons for your answer. So first has been done for you. Northern mountains. Climate is cold because people wear warm clothes and most of mountains are covered with snow at the top. So now you have to tell northern plains. Northern plains are very hot in some months and very cold in other months. Next one is deserts. Desert has a hot climate because वहाँ पे जो sand है, the sand is very hot during the day and cold during night. So the desert area is very hot because there are less rainfall. Next one is coastal plains. Coastal plains are neither very hot nor very cold because there are seas. Clear? Next one is question number 2. Look at the pictures Do you think that the climate in both these places is similar? Give reasons for your answer. First picture is of a beach and second picture is of a hill. So you have to tell the climate of these two places are same or not. Yes. Their climate will not same because beaches are neither very hot nor very cold, but the mountains are very cold. Mountains have a cold climate. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, you have to do practice question number 5. What type of climate is found in the coastal plains of India? So you have to tell what type of climate is found in the coastal plains of India, and you have to write a few features of the Thar desert of India. Students, you have to do practice question number 3 and 5. Thank you everyone for watching this video.